Previously, I made 2 long Christmas cards using flamingos from Tailored Expression stamp set. It was in December, I think. I really loved the size of the long cards, and so did many of you. I decided I will make more of this year, but I'm still figuring out the right size to fit into a ready-made envelope. Nevertheless, I could not stop myself making this one. Hope you like it. Hello and welcome to my video tutorial. This is Gayatri. Sorry about my voice. I'm down with severe cold and flu, but that could not stop myself from doing a voiceover. I created a farm scene here using Tailored Expressions, Green Acres stamp set and coordinating dies. I love the set and have made several cards previously. This set is great for creating scenes and coloring as well. I stamped a few panels of the images from the stamp set using Tailored Expressions Oreo hybrid ink on Tailored Expressions Sugar Cube Cardstock. The Oreo hybrid ink is great for both Copic coloring as well as watercoloring. I colored all the images using Copic markers. I am not showing you the coloring process of all the images as it will be a very long video and boring as well. I did nothing fancy, just the usual light to dark and back to light colors to shade and blend. After I finished coloring all my images, I used the coordinating dies to die cut all the images out. Here I have more images than I actually require. The barn, the horse and the farmer does not have coordinating dies. I cut them out using scissors by hand. Then I trimmed a sugar cube panel to 10.125 inches by 3.5 inches in size. I'm really sorry about the black shadow on the top right hand corner of my video. I really didn't see what was blocking my camera out there. So please bear with me for just probably a couple of minutes until I actually realized that uh, the black bit which was blocking the camera, and I actually fixed it. Okay, to sponge these inks, I used my makeup brushes, and I really love the gorgeous blend these brushes give. Once I finished blending all the colors onto my panel, I arranged the die cut images to create a farm scene. Because the panel is really long, I was able to fit in most of my images, but I did leave out the barn and the horse because they were a bit too big for the scene. I saved you the pain of watching me glue the images down by editing those footages and showing you the completed panel. The clouds and the sun are from Little Bits Sun and Cloud die set, also from Tailored Expressions. I die cut the clouds using Tailored Expressions Sea Salt cardstock and the sun using gold glitter cardstock, and I have adhered them. Some of the die cuts from both the Green Acres stamp set as well as the clouds are directly glued down to the panel, and the rest using foam adhesive to add depth and dimension. I made the card base half an inch bigger than the panel using 2 panels of sugar cube cardstock. This completed panel is adhered to the card front using tape adhesive, and I added highlights to the colored images using white gel pen. The sentiment for the card front is from the Green Acres stamp set. The stamp set actually has many fantastic sentiments, and I picked 3 of them on for this card. I simply stamped the first sentiment using black Oreo ink onto a strip of sugar cube cardstock and adhered using foam adhesive. I have decided to stamp the insides of the card from this year on. So I did it on this card as well using 2 more sentiments from the stamp set and adhered the leftover die cuts around it. On the back of the card, I stamped my customized stamp I received from Taylor for Christmas. I always wanted one such stamp and I was very happy to receive it from Taylor. This stamp is very unique and I love it very much. Thank you, Taylor. You can also get yours from Taylor Expression store. There are 4 designs to choose from. I will link it below in the description box. Here is the finished card. Check out my blog post for more photos and details of the card and the customized stamp from Tailored Expressions. I will put the links below in the description box. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and give me a thumbs up if you liked my video. Thank you very much for watching and bye for now.